Hello everyone, Professor Eaton here, helping you with your chemical equilibrium activity as it requires you to do a little bit of hands-on experimentation that is not possible to do at home. So I'll run through the first part of this for you. You'll note that on yours you're doing questions 4 through 8. So we'll start with direction 2. If you want to follow along, I'm going to label a 25 milliliter graduated cylinder and straw reactants. So we'll just say this is reactants, and we'll give this one to the reactants. And label 10 milliliter graduated cylinder and 1 straw products. Done. Step 3. Fill the reactant cylinder to exactly 20 milliliters with water. Blue water, specifically. So let's do that here. Got here. Pretty good. I'd say that's 21 milliliters. That's okay. We'll just mark that down as our starting amount over here in our notes. Step 4, fill the product cylinder to exactly 4 milliliters. Much better on that one. We got some 4 milliliters out on there. All right. Place the reactant straw. Step 5 now. Step 5. Place the reactant straw in the reactant cylinder and the product straw in the product cylinder. Done. Okay. Step 6. Cover the straw with your finger and transfer the contents of the reactant straw to the product container and vice versa. Seven, record the volume. So here we have I would say about 19 milliliters, 19.0. Let's put that in our notes over here. 19.0. And then for the products we have, I would say 5 milliliters. Okay. Next on the instructions it says let's go ahead and move these out of the scene. Now we don't really need these anymore. Put them back there. Now continue until the level in the cylinders remains unchanged for at least 5 readings. Alright, so this one is now, I'd say 15. No, not 15, I'm sorry. 18. And this one is probably about 6. So 18.0 and 6.0. Now, in lieu of time, I'm going to just do some more of these transfers. I have data from previous students' work where it was recorded. So I'm not going to record each one because you're just watching me record data. But I will do it till the levels are unchanged. So let's keep going. Once again, you normally record data here, but we're not in this case because just to save time in this video, and you don't have to watch me recording data, which isn't super exciting. So let's keep going until the level inside each graduated cylinder is unchanged. I think we're there. Yeah, I'm not seeing any change to it. Not seeing any change now in the levels. Let's get one final reading just to kind of emphasize that. So one final reading, we look like we're here at about, I'd say, 16.0, and here we are at about 7.0. Okay. Also note the color. Remember we said this one was blue to start out with, and this one was yellow. Okay. Note that the color has changed, so this helps us to see the color difference there. Alright, and that's the conclusion of our video. So go ahead now and answer the rest of the questions on the activity based on this video, and I'll provide a table of the data for you to look at as well, of the readings.